Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today I am going to draw and tell you about the character named Bluey. Meet Bluey Christine Healer, the spirited protagonist of our story. She's the older daughter of Bandit and Chili, the elder sibling to Bingo. Ringleader of imaginative adventures. Bluey's world is one of boundless imagination. She turns mundane moments into extraordinary escapades, whether she's pretending to be a taxi driver, a hotel manager, or even a mermaid. Curiosity is her constant companion. Despite occasional nerves, she embraces new experiences, always finding wonder in the world around her. For Bluey, family and friendship are everything. And through her infectious enthusiasm, she invites us all to join in the joy of play, discovery, and togetherness. With her striking black eyes gleaming with curiosity, Bluey is a vibrant 6-year-old blue healer. Her fur, a delightful palette of light blue, blue, dark blue, and tan, creates a unique and playful appearance that mirrors her spirited personality. Each hue in her coat tells a story of adventure and fun, reflecting the joy she finds in every moment of life. From the lightest shades to the deepest blues, her fur is a canvas of endless possibilities. Her rectangular-shaped body exudes confidence as she explores the world around her. Dark blue spots pepper her torso and head, adding a playful touch to her ensemble. Her yellow inner ears and muzzle, along with her striking black nose, complete her distinctive look. When Bluey stands next to her friend Rusty, their similarities evident, yet their differences subtle. While Rusty may share her model, a keen eye will notice the slight variation in their proportion, with Bluey's waist and head forming a harmonious balance that sets her apart. With her unmistakable charm and boundless enthusiasm, Bluey invites us all to join her on her endless journey of discovery and imagination.
Feel free to explore my other videos showcasing various characters and techniques, such as color pencils, watercolors, markers, and watercolor pencils. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and let me know which character to draw next. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.